Students, today we are going to study about a new topic, that is pressure. Look at this video. You can see that when we hit a nail into a wall using a hammer, you can see the upper part of the hammer is flat and the down part, which is in contact with the wall, that is pointed. That's why the nail can be penetrate into the wall easily. In the second case, do you see that the head of the nail is near to the wall, so it cannot penetrate by hitting using more pressure, more power. But you must remember, the pointed part has very less area, and the same time the head part, it is in contact with the wall, that it has more area. That's why it cannot penetrate. Okay, less area, pressure is more area, pressure is less. Listen, the equation for pressure is equal to perpendicular force by area applied on particular area. The force applied on particular area, that is can be denoted as N, Newton, and the area meter square. The international standard unit of pressure is Newton bar meter square. It is denoted by Pascal. The unit is Pascal, and which implies PA. Okay, the name Pascal got by the honor of a great scientist, Pascal. Listen here, area, in the denominator it is area, and the numerator it is force. In this equation, force by area, if I am keeping force as a constant and I am increase area, what will happen in the case of pressure? See examples. 3 by 5 is equal to 0.6. the denominator is 5. In the second case, denominator is higher than 5, and see the value. First it was 0.6, next 0.5. If the area is increasing, value is decreasing, right? It means pressure will decrease. If area increased, pressure will decrease. See this first example. In the first case, area is very low area, pointed end of the nail, so low area, so high pressure is increasing. The second case, area of contact is more. It means in the denominator the value is more, then the answer pressure will be less. Understand? Once again, you look at the equation and understand it. When we use a driller to drill a wall, you can see the driller has a pointed end, and also when we cut vegetables, we use sharp edge having cutting edge having knife, and other side of this knife, you can see it's blunt edge. Why? Because cutting edge has less area, that's why we can apply more pressure there, then we can cut easily. If we use blunt edge for cutting, we cannot cut vegetables properly. Area of contact reduced here, then we will get more pressure. Area less, more pressure. I am repeating that same sentence. When we use an axe for cutting a tree, more pressure, less area of contact. In all these examples, you can understand high pressure is applied here by using low area. Area in contact is very low, that's why high pressure. Okay students, next let's look at the advantages of low pressure. When we use snow shoes in snow, we know that large area in contact with the snow, so low pressure shoe will not go deep into the snow. We can walk or slide through the snow easily. If you are using small area in contact, the shoes The shoes will go deep into the snow. We cannot walk properly. Understand? Because normal shoes the area is very less, so high pressure will be there, so the shoe will go very deep. Same the truck used in wars, you can see steel tracks covers the sharp tires of the vehicle. Wheels on the ground, less contact area. If wheels are on the ground directly, less contact area, more pressure, the vehicle cannot move further. But steel tracks have large area to reduce pressure. So students, today we have studied about solid things make pressure on solid objects. Solid on solid. Next we have to study about liquid on solid, liquid on liquid. Okay.